Okay, we are AIing. You're AIing with me. Come AI with us. What's going on, YouTubers? Guys, I got a mouthful of candy, which is so inappropriate. And I got myself a Coke. Another thing I probably shouldn't be doing. I think I consumed way too many sodas. But anyway, we're back, guys, to continue our conversation about AI with us. It's a phenomenal funnel system, and it's actually morphing. It's actually getting better all the time. Okay, so for you guys who have been fortunate enough to come in contact with AI with us, the new funnel that I'm building, guys, so that you get to earn and learn with AI, congratulations. And so in the last video, I talked about the new AI with us umbrella and how I was going to load the very front end of AI with us with a $7 list building system. Okay, now, you want to be an individual as a digital marketer, an affiliate marketer, you want to make money with AI, whatever you want to do, guys. I'm telling you, you never want to get away from a place where you don't want to be building yourself your own email subscribers list. I've done enough videos. You guys know the awesome power and the importance of it, so we're not going to spend a lot of time talking about it. Understand, in this video, guys, I talked about it. If you guys have picked up that $7 list builder, you understand the awesome power of what you're able to do with it. First of all, you can build a list for anything you want to build a list for with this $7 list builder funnel. I'm going to walk you guys through it. I'm using AI with us because AI is with us is how we're kicking the umbrella off, okay? And there's a corresponding playlist, and this video will be pinned near the top, and they'll be in sequential order, so you guys will not only have all of this at your disposal, but you'll be able to follow along through the videos so you can see for yourself in real time how simple it is to set up all of our AI softwares, how to inject AI marketing campaigns, use AI content creation, whether it's image or video. You're going to be able to do it all. And you're going to be able to do it all with a lot of simplicity, ease, and speed. So let's concentrate on that $7 list builder today, guys, which is bullet one or step one coming through any of the funnel. Right? It's going to be somewhere near the top because we want to be able to build our list. And the reason I chose this $7 list building funnel is because you can set this up in less than 5 minutes. And it will go out and promote whatever you want to promote on the back end. I'm going to show you guys that. Now, so this page, you guys know, if you come AI with me or you come AI with us, you're always going to end up with a web page, some internet presence. Actually, I create these pages for you guys, and I manually code them and load them with any or all corresponding affiliate links for the AI funnel that you guys happen to come through. Right now, it's about 10. So what happens is you come through the funnel, and you're going to be introduced to this $7 list building funnel. It's going to cost you $7 to plug into the funnel, and then it's going to cost you $7, and you will earn $6 commissions every time somebody else joins us inside of one of our AI list building or AI funnels, okay? If that makes sense. And if the AI funnels, somebody's coming through, you're using this, they're going to have to pay you $6 commissions, right, to unlock this funnel. Okay, now, this is the actual lead capture page. So when the individual comes through, they'll be redirected to wherever you want to well, it's going to redirect them to Lead Lightning, first of all, so they can get themselves signed up. And once they do, the way that this funnel's built, guys, is going to go out and continue to correspond with that list for you with your primary built on the other end of it, or wherever you want to plug in. Let me show you what that looks like. So when people first log into this $7 list builder, they're going to be redirected to a sales page. The sales page is going to close all the sales for you guys. Don't worry about it. Leave it alone. Let the funnel do what it does. As people come through and they decide they want to join at that $7 price, they can. And like all great funnels, guys, listen in. All great funnels there is always, almost 99% of the time, an upsell. And the upsell is created inside of these funnels so that we can stair-step our way into profit without breaking the bank, right? You don't think of an upsell necessarily as, oh, I got to spend more money. Think of an upsell instead of, oh, wow, I can make this much more money by not having to do anything extra, right? I can use the same funnel, double, triple, possibly in many instances, sometimes, guys, even quadruple the amount of money you're using as people are coming into your funnels. In this instance, the upsell is the AI training, or one of those components of the AI training you guys hear me talk so much about. If you guys have seen any of my promo videos in the last, I don't know, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, you know, even as I speak, I'm right in the middle of putting together different promo videos using the exact same training, among other training that I have that you guys will be introduced to create these types of images, okay? And you guys know how that works, right? It's a beautiful thing. And that's what the upsell inside of Leads Lightning is. It's $37, guys, okay? If you should decide to get it, you don't have to pick it up. But if you do pick it up, now you just went from earning yourself a $6 commission to another $25 commission, moving, right, this AI training, right, for one time $37. So if you were to come through the funnel and your prospects are coming through the funnel and they pick up the $7 funnel and they come down here, guys, and they tick off the box because they want to pick up this upsell, which is a phenomenal piece of software. The training is phenomenal. Then they're going to pay you $37 if they tick that box, okay? Because they want to pick that up. So they would tick the box. Now we go to 44, and you over here on the right, and you would make $25 from that sale, and of course the $6 from the sale of your $7 funnel, okay? So now people are funneling through. Now, as soon as you have access to this incredible $7 funnel that continues to promote whatever you want on the back end, you're going to be redirected to your members area, okay? I'm inside of my members area now, and you're going to go straight to a members area that looks exactly like this one. And man, it's some great training inside of here, okay? Anyway, we want to focus on those links that I just went to, one of which was your lead capture page. You saw that, right, guys? And your sales page, right? And I showed you guys how they work in conjunction with each other, how people come through the lead capture page and they land on your sales page. Those two links you'll be able to find right here. There's your Lead Lightning lead capture page link, and there's your lead capture page of your Lead Lightning sales page. We're going to talk about different ways to use them in your email follow-ups in different places. But those are the things you want to be concerned with. And if you did, in fact, pick up the bonuses, guys, when you go to step 3, or even if you didn't, you open up your training, okay? You're going to go over here. You're going to just start following through the steps. And I mean, wow, for $44, I don't even know. I guess that's what I paid for it, right? I've made that money back already 3 times over, guys. And it's only going to get better now that we're building this lead generation platform into all the funnels. And so now you just come through step, just follow through. Set your funnel up, get yourself all set up, and you're ready to go. Okay? That's what you can expect inside of the Lead Lightning funnel, and that's what's going to happen inside the Lead Lightning funnel, so we can back out of the Lead Lightning funnel now. Now, when it comes to AI with us, or any of the proprietary funnels you come through, you go through that same process because we're leading with list generation, right? We're leading with that lead capture funnel system so that we can start building our email subscribers list, right? And I know that it makes sense, guys, so we're not even going to go over it anymore. I'm going to see can I get back to AI with us because I want you guys to completely understand how phenomenal this funnel is and how it can make you some decent affiliate commissions, guys, okay? So we're going to go back inside of AI with us, and we're going to close out how this ties into your funnel. Okay, so the link now is inside of your AI with us funnel. And when people click that link, they'll be taken over to your link for the $7 list building funnel. And then you will get credit as being the sponsor of the individual that comes through our AI with us funnels inside of that AI infused list building funnel. And you'll earn $6 commissions and $25 commissions if you should pick up that affiliate software that actually walks you guys through doing exactly what we talk about in our AI imaging creation crash course, right? Okay, so that's how that's going to work. Go on and set that up if you haven't already, guys, and I'll meet you guys in the next video where we'll be talking about the next AI infused super piece of software that we're going to be using in 80% of the AI with us funnels. I'll see you guys on that video.